In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wolt Partner App. First, get the Wolt Partner App from the App Store or Google Play. Log in using your phone number and SMS code. Then, watch the intro video, upload required documents, ID, license, etc., and sign the contract. Pick your gear if needed. Swipe to go online and accept delivery tasks. The app auto assigns orders based on your location and vehicle. Then, follow instructions to pick up and drop off your orders. Use in-app notes and map for navigation. Swipe to complete after each delivery. Then, check your stats and payments in the Finances tab. You get paid twice a month. Tips are 100% yours. Keep your app updated, enable high accuracy location, and turn off battery saver mode for best performance. And lastly, use the in-app chat for support, questions, or profile changes. And that's it. That's how to use Wolt Partner app.